Hello guys. So today we are going to download Virtual Studio Code, because it is open source and trending application for programmer. So follow the step. First open a browser, you can use any, I here use Chrome. Now search for Virtual Studio Code. Click on download. So this interface open. Here are three options. First one for Windows, second one is for Linux, and third one is for Mac. So I am working on Windows, so I click on Windows. Then wait for few seconds and click on save. Now wait for download. Then click on Versus Code User Setup Application. This interface will open. Now click on I accept the agreement and then next. Then tick on all boxes and click on next. Click on install. The setup begin.
"2,000 years later."
Click on finish, and here we done.